In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Spotify cache. If Spotify has started taking up too much space or feels a bit sluggish, clearing the cache is a quick way to free storage and refresh the app. The cache is just temporary data. Spotify saves on your computer to help music play smoothly. Removing it won't delete your playlists, your library, or your account. If you download music for offline listening on this computer, you may need to download it again afterward, but your saved songs and podcasts remain in place. First, open Spotify on your computer. You'll want the desktop app, not the web player in your browser, since the cache option lives inside the app's settings. Next, look to the top right of the Spotify window and click your profile photo or your name. A small menu opens. Choose Settings from that menu. This takes you to a page where you can customize things like playback, explicit content, and the files Spotify stores locally. Now scroll down until you reach the storage section. This area shows details about where Spotify is keeping its data on your machine and how much space it's using. It's a helpful snapshot if you're trying to understand what's filling your drive. In that storage section, find the button labeled Clear Cache and click it. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm. Spotify immediately removes temporary files it doesn't need. Depending on how much you listen, this can take a moment. When it's done, you've reclaimed that space, and the app may feel lighter. The next time you play a track, Spotify may rebuffer some data in the background, which is normal. That's all there is to it. Opening the app, heading into Settings from your profile, scrolling to Storage, and confirming Clear Cache gives you a simple, safe way to tidy up without touching your library. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your storage was very full, consider giving Spotify a moment after clearing so it can rebuild only what it needs as you listen. And if you use multiple devices, cache is device-specific, so you would repeat these same steps on any computer where you want to free space. Thanks for watching. If this helped streamline your Spotify experience, keep these steps handy and clear the cache anytime you notice the app growing or performance dipping.